Do your cannonballs suck? Are they absolutely horrendous? If so, then you've come to the right guy. I'm going to be teaching you how to do a better cannonball in under 2 minutes. The key to a good cannonball is splash in aerodynamic direction into the pool. I'll demonstrate my regular cannonball up first. Watch how my hands and feet correlate with my core and chest muscles. The second variation I'm going to show you is called the exploding cannonball. It starts off like a normal cannonball, but then you extend your whole body at the very end. Now, what I like to do on the 180 cannonball is get in the air and then spin. You do have the option to sort of slowly pivot, and it might be hard in the concrete, but do whatever works for you. One-footed cannonball. What I like about this one is it gives you spin on your body, natural spin. Body burial cannonball. Now, why this one works is because by twisting your body, you're digging into the water and propelling it out the other way. Let's do a quick demonstration. Basically, take something that's around the same size as you. When you do the cannonball, you catch it, then you go into cannonball formation. This adds more mass and makes a bigger splash. Oh.